Today we have a Bryant Evolution heat pump that is overcharged with 410A. This is very typical of a technician not knowing what they're doing. Now taking a look, you see the unit it shows a TXV. It shows that the required subcooling is 14 degrees. Right now we currently have 43 degrees subcooling, so we will be removing refrigerant until we come to the 14 degrees, and then we'll show you the differences. Customers complaining of high humidity and not cooling properly, seems to run all the time. Very typical of an overcharged situation. So we'll remove the refrigerant. So we are removing refrigerant currently into our recovery tank, and once we remove some, then we have to be patient and wait, see what our results are, and ensure that we didn't remove too much. Always remember that it takes time to properly remove the refrigerant. And it takes a little bit of time, but you can see it beginning to respond. So we've removed some. It's been a couple of minutes, and we are seeing that the subcooling is still climbing. Once the subcooling has stabilized, then we will determine whether or not we remove too much or if we need to continue removing. Looks like we actually removed a little bit too much, so we will add back just a little bit and make sure that we are right at the 14 degrees subcooling, which is the required amount for this particular unit to work perfectly. Okay, so we've got our 14 degrees subcooling, and now our superheat's a little low, so we will investigate on the TXV to make sure that it's functioning correctly. But as of right now, the system will begin to remove dramatically more humidity from the air, but it is possible that due to the overcharge that the TXV has some issues. We'll further investigate that.